Have you ever been in your basement, seen this, and wondered what's going on inside that cylinder of saran wrap? Have you?
I have been curious. Like, what kind of science goes on in here that takes minerals out of my water using salt? And my water doesn't taste like salt.
This is a water softener, but this is just one half of a water softener. The other half looks something like this. You have the brine tank and then the filter, which actually does the softening. This is the water softener we use for the Waterjet. It's got the filter, which is sitting inside of the brine tank, and that's what you fill with the salt. It's obvious what's in the brine tank. It's salt and water. You can just open up the top of that and see. But this one's a little bit more of a mystery.
Magic happens.
And this is what we're going to cut open to see what exactly is going on in there.
Like, a water softener is pretty heavy, and all the weight is like, oh, right there. Lifted it.
What? I think this just confirms that water softeners work through magic. A lot like my Raycon earbuds.
The best way I can describe my experience with Raycons is magical. The way they magically pair to my phone when I open the case. The way they magically fill my ears with deep, deep bass. And the way that they charge themselves when I put them back in the case.
They are magical, and it's no wonder that celebrities like Snoop Dizzle, J.R. Smith, and the one and only Mike Tyson are literally obsessed with them.
Raycons are great from working from home, working out, and listening to music or podcasts for hours on end. Plus, they sound just as great as other top audio brands you know.
Their everyday E25 is their best model yet. It has a compact design, a nice noise-isolating fit, and it comes in a lot of different colors.
Click the link in the description, and like magic, you'll get 15% off your order.
Or you can go to buyraycon.com/waterjet, and that's for 15% off. And just like magic, we're back. So what gives?
Well, it was like a magic trick. It was super heavy, and now it
weighs nothing.
light and super empty.
I probably could have gone way faster on this. I was not expecting it to just be that thin and just fiberglass. But here we are. So how does this work, Mitchell?
So it's full of these like things that look like fish eggs.
Really small fish eggs.
And these fish eggs is a type of resin, and when it's in contact with the hard water, it takes the magnesium and calcium out of the water because it's attracted to
That type of resin.
this resin, these little beads. And so the small little beads, so there's a ton of surface area.
So this is just filled with fish eggs. The water pumps into this through it all before it then exits and then goes into your house pipes, right?
Did you say exits, like fish eggs?
Exits. Yes,
Exits.
that was totally intentional.
Exits.
Then what happens when all of these fish eggs take out as much as they can?
The next step would be they're rinsed, and your water comes in. It rinses through, gets a lot of it out.
Just like backwashing it?
Yeah, it fills it in with water, and then it comes out, and it actually goes to your drain. And then it uses the brine tank, and it puts salt water in there, fills the whole thing with salt water, and that salt then gets rid of the calcium magnesium from the beads. Then it goes through another rinse that rinses all the salts out, and you're left with clean resin again. And so it's ready for the next time you turn on your shower and you want soft water.
So the brine tank's only purpose is to clean the beads off.
So yes, your
So it
water
doesn't
does
actually-
not actually get salty.
It doesn't make your water salt. I always thought it did. I don't know why, because it doesn't like taste salty. I don't know why I would have thought that.
Because you put salt in there, and you're like, I guess
And the
like
salt
my
just
water
keeps
gets salty.
disappearing. It's got to be going somewhere, so.
So yeah, it sucks it from your brine tank. So then at the end of the cycle, it puts more water in the bottom of your brine tank, which makes a new salty solution to use the next time it has to recharge.
Now the real question is,
Will fish eggs stick to the wall?
I was gonna say, do those fish eggs actually taste like fish eggs?
Oh.
What does it taste like?
It's like salty and gross. But I don't know what fish eggs taste like.
Are you swallowing it?
I'm trying not to. There's so many little beads all over my mouth.
Other question, do fish eggs stick to the wall? Gotta get a good... Can you rinse out the garnet with... Nope, they just disappear. You wasted them all. You can get some more out of there. Will it stick? My guess is no, it's just gonna...
That's how to clean that up.
That made more of a mess than I was thinking it would. And that is how water softeners work. You are all now certified to repair water softeners. Give them their thumbs up certification.
Certified.
There it is. If there are any other random household objects that you want to see cut in half, let us know down in the comments and maybe we'll do them in a future video.
I just had an idea, Dan. We take like a metal jar and we fill it with fruit, frozen fruit, and then we stir it with the Waterjet and try to make our own smoothie. And then cut a blender.